Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to use reports in iSpring Learn to track learner progress. Reports provide valuable insights into learner performance and how to improve their results. With reports, you can easily find learning gaps and pinpoint who needs training and what topics they're struggling with. Okay, let's dive into the types of reports iSpring Learn offers and the insights they provide. The reports are organized in categories for your convenience. Let's take a closer look. Reports in the By Learners category help you track and analyze the progress of individual employees, departments, and groups. Inside, you'll see the number of courses passed, in progress, not started, and overdue. The By Courses reports give an overview of course progress. These reports help you assess knowledge retention and identify challenging topics. Reports in the Other category show who's actively using the platform and help track achievements on the leaderboard. You can also monitor certificate statuses and expiration dates. Now, let's open the Learner Progress Report and configure it to pull the data we need. Let's narrow the results using filters here. For example, I want to see only courses from the Sales category and only include users who were re-enrolled. Next, let's add more info to our report. Click the Display Columns icon and select what you want to see. Let's do Department, Supervisor, and Job Title. Great! Now the report shows all the data you need. If you use this report often, save it as a template so you don't have to set it up each time. You'll find all your saved reports in the My Reports section here. You can also schedule a report to be sent out automatically. Just enter the recipient's email addresses and choose how often it should be sent. And that's it! Your report will be delivered on schedule with no need to export it manually. You can also message users, update their profiles, and view their full learning history directly from the report. Click Learner Results to see detailed info for that user. If any filters are applied, clear them to see all recently assigned courses. You can send any report by email or download it to your computer. To learn more, check out our full report documentation. Now you know how to use reports in iSpring Learn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.